Tonight, multiple advocacy groups vowing to fight a part of the state's new immigration law. This week, they filed a motion for a judge to block part of the law that bans driving people who are undocumented into the state, arguing it is unconstitutional. While it was denied immediately on Tuesday on the basis of not giving defendants proper notice, they now say they plan to file it again. And tonight, 10 Tampa Bay's Han Deneen takes a closer look at the lawsuit claims and the impact on local families.
They don't know what to do. They're not prepared.
Anxiety over Florida's new immigration law, SB 1718. Diego Dulando Falcon knows it firsthand.
So there's always been this anxiety within my community, the immigrant community, of how do we get to the next day without getting deported.
While Diego is documented, his parents are not. As the family's primary driver, the state's new immigration law makes it a felony offense for Diegos who leave the state and return with his parents.
Is there any situation in which you would leave the state of Florida with your parents?
Even if it's possible for us to come back in, I probably would not want to risk it. Not only does it put my parents at risk, it puts myself at risk.
Like Diego, the plaintiffs in this lawsuit are uneasy to now get behind the wheel.
The folks challenging this are families, workers, and community members who are going to face potential felonies for transporting folks who have court hearings into Florida.
They argue this section of the law illegally supersedes federal law and is unconstitutionally vague.
I practiced immigration law for a number of years, and I could not tell you with certainty who you can bring into Florida and who you cannot bring into Florida.
For some immigrants like Diego, the solution may be to leave the state permanently.
For me personally, I'd rather be safe than sorry and leave Florida as soon as possible before something worse could happen.
Han Deneen, 10 Tampa Bay.